So please tell our audience the journey of your success.
First of all, I am encouraged by my mother, and when I entered in the Bollywood, yes, as you said, I'm nothing. But as I approaches to the success, I realized that the most important thing is to be believe in yourself, and that's the thing that kept me going on in this achievement of my life.
Our next celebrity is a famous Bollywood actress. She has achieved many achievements in Bollywood as well as Hollywood. The person who is coming have started her life in a very small role, and now she is an inspiration for us, for many youngsters. So please put your hand together for Priyanka Chopra, and for playing her role, I would like to call Vanshika Maurya as Priyanka Chopra. So please clap for her. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our interview panel.
Thank you, sir.
How do you like our interview panel? As you have faced many interviews, a lot of concerts, not only in India but as well as abroad and in many places. So you are very used to with this interview. So I would start from the very beginning. That when you entered in Bollywood, you were nothing. People were not considering you, but you have changed yourself and now achieved this place. So please tell our audience the journey of your success.
First of all, I would I am encouraged by my mother, and when I entered in the Bollywood, yes, as you said, I'm nothing. But as I approaches to the success, I realized that the most important thing is to be believe in yourself, and that's the thing that kept me going on in this achievement of my life.
And as you have done many beautiful pictures, many interesting movies in our Bollywood, and you have also given us many flop movies as well. So whenever you get flopped in your movies, what did you think at that time, and what was the learning thing for you?
Getting flopped is not a big deal. I deal with a lots of movies, Hollywood and Bollywood.
Yes.
But getting flopped, as my mindset is very clear that I'm not based on picture. So I am getting identified by my work and by my identity. So I'm not worried or depressed about any flop pictures.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And you have changed your body language. You have changed, and ma'am, there is a myth, and everyone, I think everyone must have known that you have also made a plastic surgery. So, is it right, and why? If it is right, why have you done this?
No, sir, this is not a myth. It is true. And I do it because I was bullied about my nose. And I do this because I want to fit in my career, and I want to fit in the Hollywood and Bollywood. So that's why, because people recognize your appearance,
Yes.
and that's in their mind. If I not do so, I'm comfortable, but the people surrounding me will.
The people watching you screen would call you something else, that she is not fit for Bollywood, like this. That's why you have done this.
That's the nature of some people.
That's the nature of people.
Yeah.
Asking names, calling people names by their personalities. So that's why you have done this. Okay. One more thing, ma'am. You have done Bollywood movies and some of the Hollywood movies. What is the difference have you found out? What is the nature of Bollywood and what is the nature of Hollywood?
I think I'm interested in doing Bollywood, because both my parents were. I'm from a middle class family, and I never thought that I'm to succeed my career like this, and I would prefer Hollywood movies most because of my appearance and because of my body language.
Yes.
People used to call me for Bollywood more than Hollywood.
More than
More than
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
That means you are fit for Hollywood and Bollywood both.
Yeah.
Okay. And now our audience is very curious to ask many questions. So I'm going to hand over this mic.
Sure.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I want to ask one question. On today's time, there is a age difference in husbands and wife is common. But in your situation, your husband is younger than you 10 years. And why you choose him? Because he is not very good looking, as well as you are very good looking. You are so beautiful. So I think why?
First of all, I advise you to change your mindset, and this is not all about appearance of a person. This is about the nature of a person. I love my husband, and I believe in her, and I spend when I spend time with him. I like him not because of her age, and I didn't consider our age differences. And of course, I believe in myself, and I don't bother about what people said.
Hello, ma'am. I want to ask a question. When you become a Miss World, what you're feeling?
First of all, I didn't thought of being a Miss World, and there plays a role of my mother. She encouraged me to do so, and I was being a contestant in the Miss World when I was at 13, and I'm not thought of being a Miss World, but I do my best. I did my best, and the results are.
Hello, ma'am. As you are the best motivational speaker in the world, and you speak so much of best thing about your youngster, and how did you motivate? Where you are motivate these lines for the youngster?
I didn't consider you for.
Where do you motivate? From where I motivate, does your motivation comes from?
And first of all, I'm not. So in my whole journey, I faced a lot of struggles related to racial discrimination and my looks, my appearance, and also in my religion, as I am Indian. So as I faced lot of things in my career, so I would suggest people, I would motivate them to be confident and prove themselves.
So you have proved yourself, and as audience have asked you multiple questions. No worry. There is one last thing I would ask you. That in Bollywood, you have seen that there are a lot of nepotism people are suffering. That means Bollywood, what I think, what people think, that it is not giving opportunity for a very newcomer who has no connection from Bollywood actor or actresses. So what is your opinion about this? Does Bollywood actually do this?
No, it's not. I think if a person is capable of doing the best, like ourselves, like myself, so he or she will become like other.
That means Bollywood platform is open for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for having here. Thank you. Thank you.